Nigerians, listen up. Look at your screen right now. This is a 2018 Mercedes-Benz GLE 43 AMG by Turbo V6. This is a car that makes heads turn in Victoria Island or Maitama. On Gigi or at a car dealer stand, this tear-rubber Tokunbo is 70 to 80 million naira. But look at this. An importer just won it on Copart for $9,200. At 1,600 naira to a dollar, that is about 15 million naira. People will see this and think they found the national cake, but I have Agent K, my AI forensic expert here. Agent K, be brutally honest, is this a miracle or a funeral for someone's bank account?
It's a funeral. Most beginners bid with their eyes, but pros bid with the lot notes. Look at the damage type, mechanical. On a 3 liters bi-turbo AMG engine, mechanical is the most expensive word in the English language. It doesn't mean it needs a battery. It usually means the engine is seized, the turbos have exploded, or the timing chain has snapped. Look at photo 5. You see that piece of plastic at the bottom left dangling out the grill? That's not a crash. That's a mechanic who gave up. Someone already tried to fix this car, saw the 20 million naira repair bill, and dumped it back on the auction for a Mugu to buy.
Wait, Agent K, on the Range Rover, we looked at the seller. The seller was USAA Insurance. This one says seller unknown. Why should we care?
This is a huge red flag. Seller unknown means this is a curb stoner. This is a private dealer who buys junk, washes it, polishes the tires, and puts it back on Copart to trick international buyers. Insurance companies sell honest wrecks. Seller unknown sells lipsticked nightmares. They are hiding the real reason the engine is dead.
Look at the dashboard. Why is it glowing like a Christmas tree in December?
Look at the lights. Check engine, ABS, airbags, brake. And look at the screen. It says, no Apple CarPlay connected. The seller spent time cleaning the leather and polishing the AMG rims, but they couldn't clear these codes because the electrical system is fried. In Nigeria, our mechanics will try an error on this car for 6 months, and it will still be a property sitting on stones in your compound.
But the engine bay looks complete. It even has red AMG trim.
Look at the thick dust. This car hasn't run in a very long time. In a bi-turbo engine, when oil sits for too long, it turns to sludge. To buy a half engine for this Mercedes in Nigeria will cost you 15 million to 18 million naira. Your 15 million naira deal has just become a 35 million naira headache, and you haven't even paid for shipping or customs yet.
Now, look at this sticker. It says 11/17, but the car is a 2018 model. Agent K, explain this chop money trap.
This is the most dangerous sticker for a Nigerian buyer. The car is a 2018 model year, but it was manufactured in November 2017. If you don't know the 2026 VIN valuation system, a clearing agent at Tinkan Port will use this date to confuse you. They will tell you the duty is higher because of the manufacture month and chop an extra 2 million naira from your pocket. If you don't have the DIY import Bible, you are walking into a trap with your eyes closed.
Billings, Montana. That sounds like a nice place. Is it good for shipping?
It's a disaster. Montana is near the Canadian border. It is 2,000 miles from the nearest ocean port. Because the car is mechanical, non-running, a special tow truck has to go all the way to Montana to pick it up. That trucking bill alone will be $2,000 to $2,500. Most Nigerians only look at the $9,200 bid. They forget that by the time this car reaches the ship, they've already spent an extra 4 million naira just on moving it.
Okay, let's do the real math that dealers don't want you to see. Winning bid, $9,200. Copart fees, $800. Trucking, That's from Montana to port, $2,200. This is a killer. This is the killer. Ocean freight, $1,800. Total USD, $14,000, which is 22.4 million. Now, add 12 million for customs and 15 million for a new AMG engine. Total landed cost, 49.4 million naira for a car that has a rebuild title and a seller unknown history. On Gigi, you can buy a clean running version for 65 million. You have saved 15 million, but you bought a car that might never drive smoothly. Is that a deal? No, that's a trap. This is why I am obsessed with the DIY Import Bible. If this buyer had used my landed cost calculator, it would have turned bright red the moment he typed in Billings, Montana and mechanical. The calculator would have told him, Oga, stay away from this bid.
Most Nigerians are researching Copart wrong. They look at the paint. You must look at the forensics.
I'm tired of seeing hard-working Nigerians lose their life savings to these shiny salvage traps. For just 35,000 naira, I am handing you the keys to the system. You get my 40-point no-scam checklist. You get the landed cost calculator. You get my black book of trusted shipping companies and clearing agents who won't chop your money at the port.
Don't be a victim. Be an importer.
Click the link in the description or bio. Watch my free case study first if you are skeptical. But stop guessing with your millions.
See you in the private support group.
Peace.